It's an interesting Dale one, yeah. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. I am Adam.
I'm Jazz.
And today we're going to bring you a helpful video.
It's gonna be like a regular pin trading video, but with like lingo terms in between. When I started pin trading, I didn't know what anything really meant. So like LE versus OE versus LR versus, I don't know, tons of different like little lingo in pin trading world. So
These are stuff that we like to use pretty much amongst each other. We all know what it means. So it's a little overwhelming for people that are brand new here. Like I said, just, or like she said, just a lot of terms, a lot of
it's like an add-on to our tips video, but like just strictly lingo. Hopefully it helps, but still doing our regular pin trading.
So let's go. Here's some of the new pins that just released on this past Tuesday. They have the Stitch Dancing Characters one, which is really nice.
Turnover Time, Pinocchio Anniversary one. That one. These are pretty cool. This, I can't show you, but it like flips over and then slides.
Hyper Moments. We all love them. Yeah, really cool pins. I'll show you guys more in-depth detail in just a moment. I'll do 9 and 20. Okay, not bad. Okay.
Okay. Alright. I'm gonna do 24 and 13. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
We're out here trading Frontierland. A lot of people set up today. It's a Wednesday. Jazz is trying to complete this set. Oh, there you go. Nice.
I need this one, this one, this one.
You're gonna get them.
Okay, so we kind of lost track of time because we were in Frontierland, but this is what our haul is looking like. We were there for like a few hours, and then I'm happy because I had promised Adam that I was gonna buy him one of these pins, and I forgot. So now I don't have to buy it for him. He got the whole set now.
Yeah, I only needed these 3, so luckily Jasmine doesn't have to buy me these.
Yeah.
But I see other pins that I want to buy. So.
No. That was my offer. It's gone.
That was for my birthday.
Okay, I got him something else.
How many months ago was that?
A few, but...
If you guys know, let us know in the comments down below. Alright, here's our first bit of lingo. This is literally the most basic thing you will need to know. The OE, which is open edition.
Also rack pin.
Also known as rack pin. The LR, which is limited release, meaning it has a timed window. We don't know when it is.
They could, yeah, pull it at any time. It's more of like, we don't know when it's going to be pulled, but it's not numbered like LE.
This one, which is LE, which is limited edition.
Yeah.
And this one has a set number of pins.
You can always tell by looking at the back. So this one, you probably can't see.
2000,
but it says, yeah, LE 2000. So that means once they're done, they're done.
Typically the ones under 2000 are the more desirable than the ones that go up to, they also have like LEs that are like 3000, 4000, 200 even, yeah. 300. So typically you want to stay under 2000.
Yeah. If you want it like as a, you know, good trader or something. But so OE rack pin, LR limited release, and then LE limited edition.
If you do have a box, there is an outlet where you can plug in your charger.
Yeah? Okay.
How's it going?
Doing good. How are you?
Good.
Do you have trivia?
I may. What kind of trivia are we looking for?
The hardest trivia.
No.
The hardest trivia.
Yeah. I usually got it. You usually got it too.
Okay. You can do hard trivia.
Okay.
Do hard trivia.
I'll do hard trivia.
Do you know, have you done trivia with me before?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Put that somewhere else. have you done one of my hard trivias or the trivias from the box?
I've done one of your hard trivia.
One of the hard trivias? Okay. Let's go ahead and move over to the box then, shall we? So, the rules are if you can answer 2 questions out of 3 in this box here, give you one of my pins as per usual. Yeah?
All right, sounds good.
Let's do it.
That's good. Let's do it. Yeah.
Oh, you want the slips?
I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
Okay, just making sure they're all good. Are we feeling confident in our Disney movies or in our Disney parks?
Movies, yeah.
Movies? Okay. Let's look and see if there's a kid.
I know, I'm gonna look at it right now.
I got it.
Put that at the bottom. Okay, here we go.
All right.
Top card from the deck. Let's begin. All right. So, in the movie Moana, who stole the heart of Tafiti?
I've never
I
seen
mean... Oh, yeah, actually, yeah, we'll do that.
it. We've never seen it. You're gonna have to guess something.
Have not seen the movie?
I've never seen the movie.
Okay. We'll skip this one.
All right, thank you.
I totally botched that question, by the way.
Did you say the
Did you say
answer?
the answer?
I said the answer.
Okay, all right,
I said the answer, but I didn't say who. So I was like, all right, let's see. We'll go with that.
I knew it was gonna be a movie we haven't seen.
Oh, we got some homework.
I know. We've been trying to watch that.
Okay. All right. Top card from the deck once again. Here's your question. What color is Dumbo's hat?
Yellow.
Is that your final answer?
Wait, isn't that Timothy Mouse?
Is it Timothy?
I don't know.
Oh, I think it's
thought it
yellow.
All right.
It's yellow.
If you want to move over
Yeah,
here, we'll go ahead and have all the guests
Go yellow?
I'm gonna go.
go yellow.
Okay.
Okay. Your final answer is yellow, and the correct answer is yellow. Yeah, it is yellow. Yeah, along with Pinocchio's, although Dumbo has a red feather.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if Pinocchio also has a red feather. Anyway, I'm not gonna get into that. All right, cool.
Okay, I got one.
You just need the next one, all right?
All right.
Now, I know I've always been choosing all the questions here, but how about this time? You choose a question. Pick a card, any card.
Oh, God.
This one.
That one right there? Okay.
Watch it be like inside out.
Last word. Big Mom's last word.
Okay, so this is the question that you chose, or is it the question that I want you to choose? Who knows?
Let's see.
Well, you can choose
Okay,
one.
so-
Which one do you want?
In the movie Beauty and the Beast, the original one,
Okay.
which character sings Beauty and the Beast while Beast and Belle are dancing in the castle? Who sings Beauty and the Beast?
It's not Lumiere.
Is it Mrs. Potts?
Yeah, Zoe.
Is that your final
That's my
answer?
final answer.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah, sure, okay. And the correct answer, you have locked in Mrs. Potts.
Potts.
Mrs. Potts. The correct answer is Mrs. Potts.
Oh.
Nice. All right. You go ahead and grab a.
Right on.
We're trying to see what it is.
Here is your reward for getting my trivia questions correctly. Okay.
All right.
Get the pins on.
Oh,
All right.
nice.
I'll take it.
Yeah, there you go. A little festive. Little festive. Okay. Of course, this is your reward, but if you would like to donate a pin, you always can.
Oh, yeah, we'll give it to her. I don't know. Okay.
All right. That cast member super cool. He always has like the best
Really
trivia,
good trivia. Always really good pins. So.
but I'm not gonna lie.
Gosh.
I'm not gonna lie. Now I'll be honest. This lady whispered it on the side. I don't know if you guys saw it. If you guys saw it, yeah, or heard it or whatever. I was like, I don't know, Mrs. Potts.
You
So
played it off.
yeah, I did.
So these are the new Awkward Moments pins. They're really cool. So you slide it. And you do it this way. Pretty cool. This one is $21.99.
Another term you might come across is PP, which stands for pre-production. So this is a normal like Club Penguin pin.
But if you look
But
on the back,
If you look on the back, right there, and What's up?
It's hard to see. You'll see that PP at the top.
Just like a clear PP stamp right there. So that means pre-production, obviously, which means that it's like kind of like a prototype.
Yeah.
It's not quite the one that is like fully ready, I guess. There might be a little bit of work to do still, but other than that, it's a nice pin. Don't really worry about coming across them or anything like that, because I have only...
This is the only one we've ever had, yeah.
I've been pin trading for like a little under 2 years now, so, you know, this is all I found. And I've only found this one from trading for somebody from Frontierland, but, you know, they didn't really care about it, so glad to have it, and yeah. Alright, unfortunately I don't have another example of a pin that I can show you, but the term that we're going to use is AP, which is artist proof.
Yeah, it'll have the stamp on the back that says AP. Basically, it means it was manufactured during the early stages, just to test its quality of the pin. So they're hard to come across. I don't have any. Yeah,
so don't really worry about it too much, but if you hear the term, that's pretty much what it means. Alright, another pin trading lingo you might hear a lot is zap. Basically, it's another word for gifting.
Gifting, yeah, but like specific to pins. So basically, giving someone a pin without expecting a trade in return. When I first started, I had heard that word like being thrown around. I had no idea what it was, so I googled it and then I found out. So that would be like gifting a pin without a trade in return.
So basically, if I was somebody like random, or not random, I guess it was like a friend of Jasmine. I'm not her friend, I'm her husband. But anyways, so basically, if I was her friend, I knew she collected Aristocats, so I'd be like, hey Jasmine, I don't know if you have this pin or not, but here you go. Boom.
This is a zap.
This is a zap, yeah. And that's pretty much it. And she doesn't give me anything back except a smile, so hopefully.
Thank you.
Thank you. Adam got her.
See you singing. Do we have any discount?
All right, thank you.
Of course.
I'm good. Thank you. We're headed to Toontown. Gonna try Cafe Daisy finally.
Yeah, it's like that fold-over pizza. I got the pepperoni and he got the
cheesy one. Yeah, we're able to finally do the mobile order. We probably gotta hurry up and eat it because they're gonna close it down pretty soon
kick us out
for fireworks. Treacherous.
Mickey's Toontown.
All right, so right away in the bag, we have the house-made potato chips. Jasmine already tried one. She said they're delicious. It also comes with the, oh, hold on. So that's her flop over. Or is that mine? I don't know.
I think that has pepperoni.
Oh, that's pepperoni.
Wait. I'm not sure. Hold on. A little greasy, but I'm sure it's
very greasy. Oh, that's the pepperoni.
The greasy one's mine.
Nice.
Oh, and then this sauce comes with the chips.
It's a chili cheese sauce. Comes with the house-made chips. Jasmine said they're warm, so can't wait to try one. Okay, yeah, so I just tried a chip. It was really good. This is the flop over. I'm not really going to open it because that kind of defeats the purpose, but...
Okay, so I already had a bite. It's good. It tastes like a Hot Pocket.
Okay.
But I love Hot Pocket.
Right on.
Sorry, no shame.
So what do you rate it?
Like an 8 out of 10.
Okay.
Or 8 or 7. It's not bad. I
nice.
mean,
all right. I'm sure mine's the same, so I'm going to enjoy this now because it's sprinkling, so I got to hurry up. All right, guys, another lingo we like to use ourselves is NFT or NFS. But right now we're going to use NFT. NFT is not the non-fungible token, but it means this is not
for trade.
Oh, yeah.
So, like, for example, if I were to post this picture on Instagram, I would probably say NFT, like, especially for these, because I'm trying to complete my set, which I did, by the way.
Also, right now, we're just trying to sort out things that we actually want to keep versus what we want to put back into our trader book. So that's like a good general word or term we like to use.
NFT/NFS. So NFS is not for sale. We don't really sell pins either, so that's what those mean. Another lingo word you'll probably hear is scrapper, and that is a perfect example of one. Scrapper, which means non-authentic, not real, scrapped, fake.
counterfeit.
Not good. I don't know. But yeah, honestly, a lot of like this is scrapper. I mean, if you watch our pin trading tips video, we show a lot of scrappers.
And those bags on eBay,
it's gonna include a lot of those.
It includes like literally like 95% of these.
And,
these pins are horrible.
but yeah, definitely a scrapper.
Do you have any trivia pins?
I do not, unfortunately.
Okay, no worries.
It's like, I think.
And it's a gift card?
Yeah.
Normally I would grab those Falcon ones.
We have them as board traders right now.
Another term you might hear is booster set / starter set. And basically it's like a 4-pack of pins that they sell in the parks. Usually comes with a lanyard. They have a few that don't have lanyards, but these are pretty much for people that are just starting or they just like the pins themselves because we actually like all these pins.
Yeah, I think we have all of them except these. We have yet to come across those for trade, but.
You have trivia?
I do.
Okay, I'll try it.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Do you know what was the last film that Walt Disney worked on?
I think I know. Is it The Jungle Book?
It is The Jungle Book.
Okay, nice.
I like this.
Yeah. Nothing. Another term we're going to use today is grail. And basically the grail is like a pin that you're really looking for, that you want it to be like a...
It's like your holy grail. Yeah, like I don't know how else to explain it, but it's a pin that you really, really want. Like, here's mine.
And here's mine.
Yeah, those are our grails, pins that we hope to come across one day.
And they don't have to be expensive at all.
Yeah, they don't have to be expensive. Whatever you make your grail is whatever yours is. I mean,
like this one is really cheap.
You just can't come across it. So.
This one is kind of expensive. And yeah, so basically it's a pin you're looking for, or the one that you really like need for your collection or whatever. So hopefully you get it. Alright guys, so here it is, our pin haul for the day. We only got a whopping 2, but we made up for it right here. Alright guys, so here's our Frontierland haul, and this brings us to our last pin trading lingo, ISO, which means in search of.
This was Adam's huge ISO. Oh yeah, and this one. If you ever see someone post like ISO, it's their in search of a pin they hope to get, trade, buy
really
one day. Yeah. So this was a huge ISO for Adam. This one too. Shout out to Rima for this one. Thank you so much. Yeah, I appreciate you. Adam's got turned down multiple times for this. And then here's the other side of our haul.
Tell us which one was your favorite.
These were also ISOs.
Yeah, they were.
Yeah, sorry. I
good.
never got it for you.
No,
but
you're
here
good,
you go.
you're good.
But yeah, not bad.
Alright guys, so that's it. It's another trip in the books. Had a lot of fun today. We
traded a lot in Frontierland.
A lot of Frontierland, can't lie. Hope you guys enjoyed our haul. Basically, we also hope that you guys really are gonna use these lingo tips.
I hope that this helps.
There you go.
We hope this helps. These were like beginner ones, like that I wish I knew when I first started, because I really didn't know anything about pin trading.
And we never really bothered to look on YouTube, but I guess pin trading on YouTube is a thing now. So anyways, we really hope you guys consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't. Oh, nice. And if you guys haven't followed us on Instagram yet, please do so. We post our hauls there and everything like that. And real quick, I just want to say today they officially announced Splash Mountain will be closing May 31st. So my little happy dance.
I hate Splash Mountain.
Boo!